The projects operate within a specific environment that can have a significant impact on the success or failure. This environment includes a variety of factors that can influence the project, such as the political, economic, social, technical, legal, physical, and many other environments, depending on the nature of the project, the industry in which it operates, and the size and complexity of the project. It is important for project managers to understand the various factors that make up the environment in which their projects operate and to be prepared to adopt or adapt to changes in these environments as they arise. Projects exist and operate in environments that may have an influence on them. These influences can have a favorable or unfavorable impact on the project. Two major categories of influences are enterprise environmental factors, abbreviated in the guide as EEFs, and organizational process assets, abbreviated in the guide as OPAs. The EEFs originate from the environment outside of the project and often outside of the enterprise. EEFs may have an impact at the organizational, portfolio, program, or project level. OPAs are internal to the organization, and these may arise from the organization itself, a portfolio, a program, another project, or a combination of these. The illustration shows the breakdown of the project influences into EEFs and OPAs. In addition to EEFs and OPAs, organizational systems play a significant role in the life cycle of the project. System factors that impact the power, influence, interests, competencies, and political capabilities of the people to act within an organizational system are part of the organizational systems. Enterprise environmental factors EEFs refer to conditions not under the control of the project team that influence, constrain, or direct the project. These conditions can be internal and or external to the organization. EEFs are considered as inputs to many project management processes, specifically for the most planning processes. These factors may enhance or constrain project management options, and in addition, these factors may have a positive or negative influence on the outcome. The organization process assets OPAs are the plans, processes, policies, procedures, knowledge bases specific to and used by the performing organization. These assets influence the management of the project. OPAs include any artifact, practice, or knowledge from any or all of the performing organizations involved in the project that can be used to execute or govern the project. The OPAs also include the organization's lessons learned from previous projects and historical information. OPAs may include completed schedules, risk data, and earned value data. OPAs are inputs to many project management processes. Since OPAs are internal to the organization, the project team members may be able to update and add to the organization process assets as necessary throughout the project. They may be grouped into two categories. Category 1 being processes, policies, and procedures, and secondly as organization knowledge bases. See you in the next lecture.